Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to check who watched and who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So let's check how to check it. The first step is to open our Snapchat app. Later we need to go to our account settings after tapping on this button, because we have already published our Snapchat story. So let's check them all after tapping on the My Story option, and let's tap as an example on the latest one. So guys, here at the bottom panel we have two indicators. The first one shows us who watched our story, and the next one shows who screenshotted it. So let's pick on them. And guys, as you can check, unfortunately right now we don't have any subscriber on our subscribers on our account, so we have the 0 indicator, but you can check here on the list who watched and who screenshotted your story using these indicators. So let's tap on one of them, and on the list you can check all these details. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful, and right now you can check who watched your story and who screenshotted it. So guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more guides about the Snapchat app and other programs. And goodbye guys, good luck!